With algebraic fractions, I always think, is there anything I can do with the numerator or denominator? So looking at this left-hand one, there is nothing I can do with 6x cubed, so I'll write 6x cubed. However, with the denominator of this fraction, we can quite clearly see that we can factorise this. 9 comes from 3 times 3, and we need an x and an x. 144, if you're not sure, tap into the calculator. Square root of 144 says 12 and 12, and a plus and a minus. Always one's a plus, one's a minus. We've got some marks. There's a divide next. I always think keep it, change it, flip it. So we'll change the divide to a times and we'll flip this fraction, second fraction, upside down. Nothing I can do with 2x to the fourth apart from write it underneath. But with this, I could quite easily expand this to give me 3x minus 3 times 4 is 12. And then I'd look for things that could cancel. We've got an x cubed on the top of the fraction and an x to the 4th, so we could get rid of 3 x's there and 3 of them here. That would make that x to the 4 divided by x to the 3 is just x. We've got 3x minus 12, we can divide the numerator by 3x minus 12 and the denominator, and that gives me, when I'm multiplying the fractions, we'll go straight across the top, 6 times 1 is 6, over 3x plus 12 times 2x, so 2x times 3x plus 12. I would next think, well, I've got an x outside the brackets, which is good, but annoyingly there's not supposed to be a 2 there. So what I'll do, we'll multiply out this bottom bit of the fraction and see if there's anything we can get towards an answer with. 6 over 2x times 3x is 6x squared. Pop the plus in. 2x times 12 is 24x. I'm now looking at 6, 6 and 24, thinking I could divide the top and bottom of this fraction by 6. Giving me 1 over 6x squared divided by 6 is x squared, plus 24x divided by x is plus 4x, and just looking at the way they want it, they would like me to pull x back outside a bracket. We'll factorise x, brackets, x times x is x squared, pop the plus in, x times 4 is 4x, and we've worked out that r is 4.